Audio Jungle.
First, we start with the white ceviche. In this case, we have sivas. Then we put a little bit of salt. Also, we add some fresh cilantro, some red chili, more chili, and then we add the tiger milk. It's a blend. We have the lime, the chili, the garlic, we blend it all, and then you have the tiger milk. We add some onion. Then we have our Peruvian corn. We put the fish in our very, very cold plate. We add the tiger milk, and this one, it will be our ceviche apaltado. We put avocado on top, and also some alcaparras. Then some olive oil, some smashed plantains or bananas, and that's our decoration. And voila!